As I announced earlier last month, I'm dropping an album this year, and the album is called According To. So basically the album is inspired by my musical journey. So as the title says, according to, so which means everything that you're going to find in the album, it's according to DeeMusic. So it was inspired by my musical journey, so it's a combination of where I started and where I am at the moment. Yeah. Okay. Let me start basically album I feel it's going to change the way people see me as a musician, because obviously as an artist you need to give people more. People always expect more from you. So basically when you drop an album, that's your way of saying this is me and this is what I can do. And obviously people needs to like know more about you. So my album is more about my life, and like I said in the beginning, it's more about my musical journey and all that. And obviously my music is more inspiring. So to the public, my music is more inspiring, so anyone can listen to my music, no age restrictions. Yes, so basically it's for everyone. Everyone can enjoy the music, whether you go at your wedding, at your parties and everywhere. So it's very inspirational. So you should listen to it as soon as we announce the dropping date. Okay, this year, like we announced, we're dropping an album, an 18-track album, according to DeeMusic. So watch out for the album. You can also find DeeMusic more different social media sites: Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. We all there. And also my music is in all music platforms: Spotify, YouTube. You can find me there at DeeMusic. You know how we roll. The album is coming. It's hot. Iyashisa. Amen.